The characteristics of a good brand. Number one, the brand name should be short, easy to pronounce, spell, recognize and remember. तो नाम ऐसा होना चाहिए जो बहुत आसान है. अगर डिफिकल्ट नाम होगा तो हमको प्रोनाउंस करने नहीं आएगा. अगर हम प्रोनाउंस नहीं कर सकते तो शॉप, इमेजिन वी गो टू अ शॉप एंड वी वांट टू, इफ द प्रोडक्ट इज नॉट देयर ऑन द शेल्फ एंड वी वांट टू आस्क द सेल्समैन, वी कांट आस्क बिकॉज हमको प्रोनाउंस करने आता ही नहीं है. तो वी विल, व्हाट विल डू, विल एंड अप बाइंग सम अदर प्रोडक्ट. तो ऐसे नाम होने चाहिए जो बहुत ही आसान हो. जैसे यू कैन सी पॉन्ड्स है, वीआईपी है, रिम है, विम है, और कौन सा है जो इजी है, वेरी इजी टू रिकॉग्नाइज. Nivea is there, which is very easy. Then you have your Surf Excel, Nirma, right? All of this is very, very easy to remember. Tang, yes, very easy to remember. And you know, ऐसा, it will never happen कि अरे वो कौन सा brand था. That thing never happens. Oreo, yes, absolutely. Wheel. These are names that will always remain with you all. Many of us do not use Nirma, many of us do not use Wheel. We all use Surf Excel or Ariel. बट रिमेंबर, जब हम बोलने की कोशिश करते हैं हम कभी भी ऐसे एग्जाम्पल्स ही देते हैं, राइट? सो दीज आर नेम्स विच आर वेरी इजी टू प्रोनाउंस. छोटे भी है, देखिए जैसे आपके ओरियो हो गया, निरमा हो गया, सो इजी टू प्रोनाउंस, राइट? एंड वेरी इजी टू रिमेंबर एज वेल. नेक्स्ट, अ ब्रांड शुड सजेस्ट द प्रोडक्ट बेनिफिट एंड क्वालिटीज. इट शुड बी अप्रोप्रिएट फॉर द प्रोडक्ट फंक्शन. जैसे आपका फेयर एंड लवली, विच मीन्स यू विल बी fair and you will be lovely. But let's not talk about you know, the fairness industry in India, because that will go on for a very long time. So we will end it there. Then let's talk about boost, right? Boost से क्या होगा, आपको boost मिलेगा, right? So that you get energy and you can do much better after drinking that juice, so that milk. So what is happening here, it should suggest कि product क्या कर रहा है. Okay, next, a brand name should be distinctive. मतलब it should be different from others. It should be easily recognizable. It should tell what the product is doing, and it should be distinctive. मतलब it should be different from others. It shouldn't be the same, like your little Sprite, Safari, Zodiac, right? Next, we talk about the brand name should be adaptable to packaging or labeling requirements, to different advertising media and to different languages. तो आपका ऐसा होना चाहिए company that it should not have any other meaning in other languages. Like India, you know, there are so many languages spoken in India. तो आपका जो शब्द है, आपको ये ध्यान में रखना है कि आपका brand name should not mean something different in other languages. So when you're selecting, you should be very careful about it. That, you know, imagine in a language it is it says white, but in other language it is some bad word. That should never happen, because then people would not want to buy your product. So remember that always. The brand name should be sufficiently versatile to accommodate new products which are added to the product line. Remember हमने बात किया था मैगी के बारे में, कैडबरी के बारे में yesterday, right? That ऐसा नाम होना चाहिए कि वो नाम आप दूसरा प्रोडक्ट when you're expanding आप यूज कर सकते हैं. Next, sorry, it should be capable of being registered and protected legally. तो ऐसा नाम होना चाहिए कि वो रजिस्टर भी हो सकता है एंड लीगली प्रोटेक्ट हो सकता है, ताकि अदर पीपल डू नॉट यूज दैट. नेक्स्ट, chosen name should have a staying power. इसका ये मतलब है नाम ऐसा हो जो कंज्यूमर्स कभी याद रखे. आउटडेटेड नहीं होने चाहिए आपके नाम. तो आपके नाम आसान होने चाहिए, छोटे होने चाहिए, लीगली प्रोटेक्टेड होने चाहिए. नए ब्रांड्स हम ऐड कर सकते हैं डिफरेंट लैंग्वेजेस में भी. इट शुड मीन द सेम, right? And it should not be outdated, right? These are few of the characteristics of brand. Has everyone understood this? Anything that you would want me to repeat from the last 7 points? No? Others, please let me know. Okay, perfect. Let's move on to the next thing, that is packaging, right? So what does packaging mean? Packaging refers to the act of designing and producing the container or wrapper of a product. Very simple. Packaging refers to the act of design. So आप design definitely करेंगे, produce करेंगे, because आपको container चाहिए. So container, when you produce, you put in the item inside that. So packaging refers to the act of designing and producing the container or wrapper of a product. So now let's understand the levels of packaging. Number one is primary package. It refers to the product's immediate container. In some cases, the primary package is kept till the consumer is ready to use the product, whereas in other cases, it is kept throughout the entire life of the product. Right? So what is it telling यहाँ पर? Primary package ऐसा होता है जो immediate container है. Right? तो ये immediate container हम क्या करते हैं, कभी कभी जब हम यूज कर रहे हो immediate container निकाल के फेंक देते हैं, या फिर थोड़े प्रोडक्ट में वो कंटेनर जब तक हम आइटम यूज ना करें तब तक रहेगा. जैसे आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर कोलगेट, right? So yeah, toothpaste. Let's take an example of toothpaste. Now, do you squeeze the entire toothpaste out from the tube and save it in something and then use your brush, or do you keep the entire package? Right? You keep the entire package, right? Of course, doesn't really make sense. Even with your matchbox, keep the entire packages. आपका matchbox, आप अपना matchbox कैसे use करते हैं? You keep the pack, or do you remove all the matches and store it in another container? No, not possible. That is definitely possible. और ये अपने deodorant में तो definitely possible नहीं है कि आप transfer कर सकते हैं. It doesn't make any sense for you to transfer. Can you give me some examples like this, where you use the entire, item with the, what do you call, package, immediate package? Pen, absolutely right. Pen, yes. Perfume, absolutely correct. You cannot transfer perfume in anything. Glue is a good example. Cosmetics is a very good example. Powder is an excellent example. Yes, definitely. So is सब में oil, yes, hair oil, yes, why not? Lipstick is a great example. You cannot transfer lipstick. Shampoo, yes, but I will tell you what happens with shampoo. Sometimes what happens is, in case people want to travel, they will transfer it into something more smaller. So that could happen, but generally shampoo हम लोग transfer नहीं करते हैं. Mascara, very good mascara cannot be transferred. Mascara is a, let me not get into what mascara is. Right, then there is a ghee. No, ghee can be transferred, right? When we buy, let's assume we buy a GRB ghee का packet, right? Not a डब्बा, packet. हम लोग उसको कट करके अपने डब्बे में डालते हैं, तो ghee is transferable. Okay, right. Next, move on. So I hope everyone has understood what the primary package is. Ink is a good example, Mansi. Yes, ink, absolutely ink. When anyone talks about ink, I remember the, ink pen days till 7th. I think when we started using 6th standard, when we started using ink pens, and making all our hands dirty and everything. Hero pen, absolutely. Is trying to join the class. Yes. Okay. Secondary packaging. It refers to the additional layer of protection that are kept till the product is ready to use. When the consumer start using the shaving cream, like a tube of shaving cream usually comes in a cardboard box. When consumers start using the shaving cream, they will dispose of the box but retain the primary tube. So it means the product that has come in the package, right? Like you can see a powder, right? So white tone ka jo box hai, that is primary or secondary? Not the cardboard box, the plastic one. It's primary or secondary? Not the cardboard box. Absolutely, CI is right. I'm not talking about the cardboard box. मैं दूसरा प्लास्टिक की डब्बे के बारे में बात कर रही हूँ. It is a, absolutely, it is primary. And the cardboard box जिसमें वो आता है वो secondary package है. तो जब तक मैं product use ना करूँ, मैं क्या करूँगी, डब्बे में ही रखूंगी. As soon as I start using the product, I will throw the डब्बा. A lot of times what we do is, because we do not want the कचरा at home, हम लोग डब्बा निकाल के फेंक देते हैं, and unless and until our old powder gets over, we keep this box. But many people like to keep the products as it is until they use it. And that is also okay. So secondary package is the additional layer. So ये हम लोग protect करने के लिए करते हैं. जैसे आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर there is this Maroma. You can see the bottle is made out of glass. They cannot transport it like this because glass is very fragile and it can break anytime. So it will come in a box, right? That has adequate packaging inside so that it does not fall. Yes, understanding everyone? Okay, I want you guys to give me a minute, because I remember telling you your transportation packaging. So what happens in transportation packaging is it refers to the further packaging components necessary for storage, identification and transportation. तो यहाँ पर क्या हो रहा है, हम लोग बड़े से बक्से में, डिब्बे में इतने सारे आइटम्स डाल रहे हैं ताकि it is easier for transportation. Now imagine if I have to, you know, ये 1+ I am trying to transport it, right? From Bangalore it's coming to Gulbarga. Does it make sense to put one by one into the truck? इमेजिन द टाइम एंड एफर्ट टेकन. एक वन बाय वन डालूंगी तो भी डालूंगी कैसे, कितना टाइम जाएगा, कितने लोग चाहिए, राइट? एंड फिर यू नो जमाते बैठना पड़ेगा. ओके गिव मी वन, यू विल हैव टू सिट एंड रीअरेंज इट, व्हिच इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट एंड यू नो टाइम कंज्यूमिंग. सो दैट्स व्हाई यू हैव अ बिगर बॉक्स लाइक अ कार्डबोर्ड बॉक्स जिसमें ये आइटम रहेंगे. इट कुड बी 10, 20, 100 व्हाटएवर, राइट? नंबर ऑफ आइटम्स, बल्क पैकेजिंग, यस. सो देयर विल बी वन बिगर कार्डबोर्ड जिसमें हम ऐसे बहुत सारे डिब्बे रखेंगे एंड देन दैट विल बी transported. So that is why it is called a transportation packaging. So there are 3 levels of packaging. Number 1 is the primary container. Number 2 is the secondary container, the cardboard which it comes with. And the third one is transportation packaging, which is used for transportation of that product. Has everyone understood so far? Your items. Do you think packaging is important? Yes, we all agree that packaging is very important. So let us understand the importance of packaging one by one. Number 1 is raising standard of health and sanitation. Because of the increasing standard of living in the country, more and more people have started purchasing packaged good as the chances of adulteration in such goods is minimized. तो स्पेशली इन योर फूड आइटम्स व्हाट हैपेंस, हाइजीन का बहुत इंपॉर्टेंस रहता है. तो जब आपको पता है कि पैकेज अच्छे से यू नो कवर्ड है, फॉर एग्जांपल योर यू नो बिस्किट्स, the biscuits come in one package and then you will see they come in one more tray so that they are not broken, you know, the plastic tray that it comes in. So when I'm buying that kind of a package, I do know that the goods inside are of a good standard and you know, and the health and sanitation, everything has been kept in mind. Okay, now let's talk about the next thing, that is self-service outlets. The self-service retail outlets are becoming very popular, particularly in major cities and towns. Because of this, some of the traditional role assigned to personal selling in respect of promotion has gone to packaging. So यहाँ पर क्या होता है, most of the times when you go to Venkateshwar, what do? Do you go and buy items by yourself? Yes or no? Whatever you want, you go and buy it yourself. So now no one is there to tell you, madam वो shampoo नहीं, ये shampoo try कीजिए, ये नया shampoo है. No one tells you that because you will purchase what you like. Now that is why what happens, a lot of importance is given to packaging, because packaging has to be attractive to catch the eyes of the consumer. So the customer should feel like buying the product when he looks at it, right? So इसलिए packaging important है ताकि आप consumer का ध्यान पकड़ सकें. Next, innovation opportunity. Some of the recent developments in the area of packaging have completely changed the marketing scene in the country. तो क्या होता है, बहुत इतने innovative package आ गए हैं कि many of the people want to buy products for the packaging only. Next, product differentiation. Packaging is one of the very important means of creating product differentiation. The color, size, material, etc. of a package makes real difference in the perception of customers about the quality of the product. आपको याद है हमने बात किया था, अगर समझिए आपका फोन, if your phone came in this film, in this plastic wrap, would you like it? Let us assume your phone came like this. Would you like it? Would you want to buy it? Definitely no. Only when it comes in the box, you'd be like, okay, you would like it when it comes in a box. राइट. सो प्रोडक्ट डिफरेंशिएशन, कैसे बॉक्स में आया है, किस तरह का प्रोडक्ट है, दैट ऑल मेक्स अ लॉट ऑफ डिफरेंस व्हाइल यू आर प्रोड्यूसिंग. सो पैकेजिंग इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट बिकॉज कंज्यूमर्स विल आल्सो लुक एट द वे यू हैव पैकेज्ड योर प्रोडक्ट टू परचेज इट, राइट. नेक्स्ट, functions of packaging. What is the functions of packaging? Number 1, product identification. Packaging greatly helps in identification of the product. For example, Colgate in red color Pond's cream jar can be easily identified by its packaging. So it's very easy. When you look at a packet, you know what it belongs to, right? Next, product protection. Like I told you, product protection is very, very important. So one of the major function of packaging is protecting the product, right? आपका प्रोडक्ट बहुत अच्छा हो सकता है, इट इज द बेस्ट इन द मार्केट, बट अगर आपका प्रोडक्ट अच्छे से प्रोटेक्ट नहीं हो रहा है बिकॉज ऑफ योर पैकेजिंग, देन द कंज्यूमर्स विल गेट अ डैमेज प्रोडक्ट एंड दे विल डेफिनेटली नॉट बाय योर प्रोडक्ट वंस अगेन. So what happens? Packaging protects the contents of a product from spoilage, breakage, leakage, pilferage, damage, climatic effects, and वगैरह वगैरह. This kind of protection is required during storing, distribution, and transportation of the product. So product protection is very important, because unless you protect your product and what happens is it breaks, then the consumer of course will not pay any amount for it, and he will be disappointed and he will tell it to everyone else, and word of mouth will spread, and no one would want to buy your product because they'll be like, "Arey, wo company sirf damaged product bechti." No one wants to buy damaged products because everyone values money. Next, we talk about facilitating the use of the product. The size and shape of the package should be such that it is convenient to open, handle, and use for the consumers. Cosmetics, medicines, and tubes of toothpaste are good example of this. So, आपको पता है medicine, everyone knows medicine, how it works. You know, it's very easy. When you do like this, the medicine comes out. So, it's very easy to use the medicine. And even your toothpaste, it's very easy to just remove the toothpaste out of the toothpaste tube. राइट, ट्यूब में से इट इज वेरी इजी. बट वही अगर टूथपेस्ट बॉक्स में आता, डज इट मेक एनी सेंस? ऐसे यू नो, यू वुड हैव टू पुट योर ब्रश इनसाइड, एंड व्हेन यू रिमूव द पेस्ट उस ब्रश के पूरे तरफ लग जाता. दैट डजंट मेक एनी सेंस बिकॉज यू वांट इट ओनली ऑन द ब्रिस्टल्स. And your shampoo also, your pump bottles, you know what is a pump bottle? Like this, you do, so the pump comes out. Pump bottles for shampoos. If you purchase shampoos, you purchase body lotion, so the pump bottle comes so that it becomes easier, ताकि आपको उल्टा करके उसको मारना ना पड़े, ताकि आपको प्रोडक्ट बाहर आए. So there are pump bottles. तो easy facilitation के लिए भी प्रोडक्ट के ये आते हैं, you know, पैकेजिंग आते हैं. Next, product promotion. Packaging is also used for promotion purposes. A startling color scheme, photograph, or typeface may be used to attract attention of the people to the point of purchase. So, you know, I will probably put a hero, heroine who uses the product on my item, right? Or I will use a very bright red color so that people can look at this product. Now, if I keep red and if I would keep white, which one would you be attracted to? Which one are you likely to get attracted to? Okay, a lot of people are telling red. Okay, let me see. Yes, I guess even I would say red. But since I know the brands, I will definitely go for the white one. Right? So product promotion, the color scheme, photography, कैसे उसका लिखा हुआ है, क्या लिखा हुआ है, color कौन सा है, and all of these things play a very important role. Right? So we will do labeling in tomorrow's class. Only 2 minutes left. Any doubts you have so far? Also, please write the importance down now. Levels of packaging आपको लिखना है, and उसके बाद में importance लिखना है. No doubts? Okay.